Good morning, children. Now, today we'll start chapter 14, surface areas and volume. Okay, in this chapter, we are going to deal with cube and cuboid only, children. Okay, we have already learned area of plane figures. Now, here we will learn areas and volume of solid objects like cube and cuboid. Okay, children. Now, in important points, what you have to remember is you have to remember the six formulas, children. The whole chapter is based on these six formulas. Okay. Now, first is if L, B, H are the dimensions of a cuboid. Okay. You already know what is a cuboid and what is a cube. A rectangular box is a cuboid and a square box is a cube. Okay, children? Now, these things are new for you, that is lateral surface area and total surface area. This words are new for you. Now I'll explain you what do we mean by lateral surface area. Children, you know that there are six faces of a cuboid, okay, or a cube. Now, for example, let us take this tissue box. Okay, it is a cuboid as it is a rectangular box. Okay, you will have six faces, up and down and side 4. So total 6 faces will be there for a cuboid, and for cube also there will be 6 faces, children. Okay, now what do you mean by lateral surface area? Now, children, lateral surface area is the faces excluding top and bottom, okay, makes the lateral surface area, or you can say the 4 walls 1 2 3 4 excluding top and bottom is your lateral surface area. If you will include top and bottom and all the 4 walls, it will be total surface area. Okay, volume means how much content it can occupy, that is the volume. Okay, now for example, if you want to fill something in this rectangular box, that will be for that we have to find the volume. To know how much paper is required for covering this tissue box, what we have to find? We have to find the total surface area. Total surface area, all the 6 faces. Lateral surface area, all the 4 walls. Okay, volume is how much it can be filled. Okay, so now, the formula for lateral surface area is 2h L plus B. For plane figures, perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. No, for solid object, the lateral surface area will be 2h L plus B. 2h into L plus B. This is a cuboid. This is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. We have one more dimension in solid objects, that is height also we have. Okay, now, and the total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into, it is very easy to memorize. First we have LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, it is easy to memorize. Next, what about solid? What is a cube? Cube is nothing but a square box, is called a cube. It also has 6 sides, top, bottom, and 4 walls. To find the lateral surface area, the formula is 4a square, 4 where a is side, 4 into side square, and total surface area 6a square. This is also very easy to memorize. And volume of cuboid you have already learnt in your previous classes, that is L into B into H. And volume of cube is side into side into side. If a is the side, it means a into a into a, or you can say a cube, a to the power of 3, a repeated 3 times. Okay, so this was the introductory class of surface area and volume. Now this also you should know that 1 centimeter cube. Remember, the unit for volume will be always cube. I told you before to remember the unit of area is always square, and for volume you have to remember the unit will be cube. Okay, now you have to remember all these things. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter, and 1 liter is equal to 1 liter has 1000 milliliters, no? So it is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, and 1 meter cube is equal to it means 10 lakh centimeter square. 1 tens 100, comma 1000 10,000, comma lakh 10 lakh. So 10 lakh centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube, which is equal to 1000 liters. And 1000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter. Remember, K means 1000, kilo, K, 1000. It is 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter. This you have to remember. Now let's start the exercise. Exercise 14.1, question number 1. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the figure. Okay, two cuboidal boxes. Remember, square is also called cube. Okay, square, cuboid is also cube is also called cuboidal box. Okay, so don't get confused. Here we have one cuboid, here you have one cube also. Okay, there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the given figure. Which box requires the less amount of material to make? Which box requires the less amount of material to make? So material required means you have to find the total surface area. You have to first analyze, you have to first think which formula we have to apply. LSA, TSA. Lateral surface area short form is LSA. Total surface area short form is TSA. Okay, so what you have to find out? You have to find LSA, TSA or volume. So here it is given in which box requires less amount of material to make. So you have to find the material to make. So that means you have to find the total surface area. Okay, now we will take this as 1 and we will take this as 2. Case 1. Okay, in case 1, which is a cuboid, okay, we will find the TSA. What is the formula of TSA? TSA of a cuboid. What is the formula? It is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Memorize all the 6 formulas. Okay, now this will be equal to 2 into L is how much? Here what is L? L is 60, B is 40 and H is 50. Okay, so 2 into LB. LB means 60 into 40 plus BH means 40 into 50 plus HL means 50 into 60. Okay, so it will be 2 into 6 4s are 24 with 2 zeros plus 4 5s are 20 with 2 zeros plus 5 6s are 30 with 2 zeros. So we have 2 into how much is this? 5 6 7,400. 7,400 2 times means 7,000 2 times means 14,000. 14,800 square units. Since we don't have any units, we will write like this. The TSA of a cuboid is 14,800 square unit. Okay, next we will find out the TSA of a cube. This is case 2. Okay, now TSA of a cuboid, the formula is 6a square. Now the side of the cube is all 50. So that means 6 into this 50 is square, children. Do it carefully, step by step. Okay. So it is equal to 60. 50 square means 5 5s are 25. So 50 into 50 means 5 5s are 25 with 2 zeros. Okay. Now 25 6 times. It will be 150 with 2 zeros. Okay. So the area of the cuboid is 15,000 square units. Area of cuboid is 14,800 square units, and area of cube is 15,000 square units. You have to find which box requires less amount of material to make. Therefore, cuboid requires less amount of material to be made. Okay. Now question number 2. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Surface area is given. Usually surface area, if it is given, it means total surface area. Okay. Total surface area of a cube is equal to 600 centimeter cube. Okay. Now what is the formula for TSA of cube? It is 6a square is equal to 600. Okay. Now a square will be equal to 600. 6 will come down. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 0 0. A square is equal to 100. So to remove the square, we apply square root on both sides. Apply square root on both side. If you apply square root on both side, the square get cancel. So what I said, you have learnt already. 100 means 10 into 10. That means A is equal to 10 centimeter. So what is the answer? Find the side of a cube. Therefore, the side of a cube is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. This all for today. Do it in your CW. Thank you.